This YouTube channel gets 5.2 million views each month. They achieve this by sharing dark psychology videos. This is able to change your life all around and guarantee you a lot of money. This other channel right here is getting millions of views doing the same thing as the first channel. They are getting 24 million views each month. Isn't that impressive? Now, let me show you how you can make this kind of videos for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or TikTok. We'll go through each step of creating the videos, starting from making the script, finding the B-roll or generating the images, then editing the video to make it look great. Before starting, let me first show you what the end result looks like.
A Machiavellian person is often charismatic and charming, adept at reading social cues and manipulating situations to their advantage. They possess a remarkable ability to mask their true intentions behind a veneer of amiability, using their charm to win people over while strategically furthering their own interests.
Now, let's start with the script. We have different ways to do that. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a dark psychology trait paragraph. For example, ask it about narcissism or something like that. In this one, I asked him about Machiavellianism. Obviously, I didn't write it correctly, but ChatGPT is supposed to be smart and can understand me even with my shitty English. This is not what I was looking for. So I'm gonna ask it to describe a person who is a Machiavellian, and he gave what I was looking for. These are the scripts you need. Now let me show you the other way you can make a script. First, search for dark psychology on Google and go into any article you like. Then copy a paragraph where they are talking about a dark psychology trait. Then ask ChatGPT to rewrite it for you so you can avoid any copyright issues. And this is how you get a viral script for your video. Now let me show you how to copy an already existing video script, but make sure to only copy viral scripts. So for example, I'm in this channel we talked about earlier. I'm gonna go to their most popular video. Let's see what the script looked like.
If you stare at someone's lips during a conversation, they may think you're interested in them. However, if you look at their forehead, they will feel intimidated.
Okay, this is pretty good. Copy the URL and go to the dub transcription tool from this link. Then click on the video link icon to transcribe from a URL. After that, you will have to create an account. It won't take long, just do it fast and come back to the same link. Then select the URL choice again and paste the YouTube link. Then click on transcribe. After that, click on confirm. And there you go, you have a script that has already proven that it can go viral. Now let's generate the voiceover. To do that, go to 11 Labs and create a new account. You will get a free 10,000 characters to use. Go to the voice library and choose a voice you like. Then click on Add to Voice Lab. After that, go to Voice Lab and select the voice. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the script we generated earlier. Then paste it into the text box in 11 Labs, then click on Generate. Let's hear the voice.
A Machiavellian person is often charismatic and charming, adept at reading social cues and manipulating situations to their advantage. They possess a remarkable ability to mask their true intentions behind a veneer of amiability, using their charm to win people over while strategically furthering their own interests.
Sounds good. Now click on the download icon. Now that we have our script and voice ready, we need to generate the B-roll or the images. For this one, I prefer using either anime clips like the channels we showed earlier, or using AI-generated images. If you want to use anime clips, you can find them easily on YouTube. Now let me show you how to generate the image for free. First, go to app Leonardo AI. After that, select this featured model. It's called Albedo Base XL. After that, click on Generate with this model. Then make sure to choose 4 different images so you have different images in the video. Then go to Image Dimensions and choose 512 by 1024. Now go ahead and use this prompt to generate the images. You can obviously change the prompt to what fits your style, but this is a good place to start. Then click on Generate. It will cost you 8 tokens to generate 4 images, but you get 150 tokens every day in Leonardo for free. So feel free to keep generating until you find the best pictures. Now, just download the pictures and let's move to the next step. Open CapCut and import the files we generated earlier. After that, drag and drop the voiceover into the sequence. Then proceed to cut all the empty spaces on the voice to ensure smooth sound. Once finished, drag and drop the images into the timeline and add transitions between every 2 pictures. I suggest using either the left or shake transition. Next, navigate to Filters and scroll down to locate the Clear to effect. Drag and drop it, ensuring it fits the whole video by resizing it. Go to Effects and scroll down to the Nature effects. Experiment with them and choose the ones that best suit your video. The fire effect complements this video style perfectly. After that, click on every picture, then go to Animation, after that go to Combo, and give it some smooth effects. Then, go to Text, click on Auto Captions, and select Create. Choose a font you like. I'm using a font called Comicax. Apply the pop-up effect to the captions so they display word by word. And that's it. Your video is ready. Export it to your device, then upload it to your social media platform. That was it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and to my email list down below. And watch this video if interested.